In this video, we are going to see how you can create an enhancement issue within Matomo Analytics. So the issue which have been reported to me is the opportunity to create some shortcuts within Matomo Tag Manager. So in my case here, the repository is Tag Manager. Then I go within issues, and then I look for the following enhancement. So I'm just gonna write like shortcut. Okay, I could also write keyboard or anything like this. So here I can see that there's no existing issue which have been written on the given topic. And then if I type in keyboard, there's something which is a bit related to it, but it's more like a preview and next button, as I can see here. So nothing about keyboard shortcut specifically to create some, let's say, quick feature use within Matomo Tag Manager. So what I can do here is that, so this, as you can see, the paragraph is fully in French, but I can get some help from ChatGPT to write the issue, because writing an issue is kind of an art. If you click over here, new issue, you will see. So that's not the case over here for this repository, but if you go specifically for Matomo and that you pick up the new issue part, you will see that for a bug report, it has a specific structure, and same thing for a feature request right there, just like provide you a template. So that's typically what I did with a prompt here for, you can use ChatGPT or any others, but my prompt is going to be the following one. Can you write me a great GitHub enhancement issue for Matomo in English in Markdown code from this text? And normally, if I'm lucky enough, I should get an output from ChatGPT, which will allow me to make this work. So let's see. Oops, I'm gonna do it like this, Markdown code, and let's see. So normally I should get Markdown format, which is good. Okay, so this is super interesting because I'm gonna get it the way I want. So let's wait for ChatGPT to write it. Okay, almost down. I guess it's like continuing the line over there. The only thing that I think I will need to change a little bit is let's say the shortcuts over here, because my friend suggests the letter T or the letter D, but the problem is like, if I'm doing so, that will probably create some, I don't know, maybe some issues or within the UI. So I don't know. Well, anyway, I'm gonna leave it like this just for the sake of the example, and then we'll see what the Matomo team think about the different choices that I'm making. So here my friend suggests that if we press T, it should automatically move on to create a new tag, D for create a new trigger, and so on and so forth. So once it will be finished, I will be able to copy this code and then to paste it directly within the GitHub. Here, as you can see, the structure is nicely done, so you can definitely see the feature description, then the suggested shortcut, then how to implement it, and then what are the other things to think about. Okay, so I can copy it now, and then I can go within my GitHub repository, which is over here. So I click on issue, then I click on new issue, and then I can paste it here. I have a concern, which is this one. If you think that it's not descriptive enough, that's typically the place where you need to rephrase it. Okay, and preview, and here you can see that you get it. Keyboard shortcuts for efficient workflow in Matomo Tag Manager. I mean, that's kind of obvious, but that would be useful. So to enhance user efficiency and streamline the workflow, I proposed the introduction of keyboard shortcut for quickly performing command action. Okay, so this is really good. The addition of the word signature. Okay, so okay. Their shortcut will provide several benefits. Okay, allow user to customize. Okay, I think this one is a bit ambitious, but we can keep it. Okay. Okay. Here seems that we are getting a great ticket. It would be even greater if we could add some shortcuts like we just saw before with some images on it, with some indication. But for the sake of this example here, I don't have the time to make one, but this one is fairly good. So I can click here on submit new issue and the work is done.